Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys, Scorpios. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Scorpios. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Scorpios, if you want more clarity, Scorpios, in your circumstances, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards. We have child, anchor, cross. So in your circumstances today, guys, Scorpios, maybe in your work or in your personal life, in this relationship, you have faced a lot of trials. You have done so much, sacrificed a lot for your happiness or for someone's happiness, or finding that peace of mind. And today, you are finding that balance and harmony in your situation, guys. So you have a lot of knowledge, you have experience uh, in your situation, you know how to go about how to handle your situation, what needs to be done. So in your circumstances, you may be seeing some difficulties, some obstacles in your career, or maybe some arguments or some misunderstanding in your relationship. But whatever the situation is, you have that acceptance in your heart for the truth, guys. So, whatever the situation is, you have that balance and harmony, skills to handle your situation in a better way today. And for some of you, you may have some preconceived ideas about something. Maybe in your work situation, you may have some ideas, about something, and you may not know, or you may have some doubts regarding that. So, some new start may come towards you in your work, but if you, do things without overthinking, you are going to see some difficulties, guys, maybe. So you need to think clearly and then move towards that. For some of you, I see a new beginning coming up, maybe in your work, or it may be in this relationship with this person. You have a different way of seeing things today. You have a better understanding with them, and you know what will be the right thing to do or right thing to say to this person. So your perception is changing today, guys, Scorpios, and maybe for some of you, you are finding comfort in some kind of a practice. It may be meditation or some kind of chants. Something is bringing you peace of mind and happiness. And maybe for some of you, you have achieved certain things. It may be a small achievement, a beginning of some success in your life. Maybe you are moving towards a greater responsibility in your relationship. You are thinking of marriage or engagement, and you are happy for that. And you have that sense of completion and security in your circumstances. Maybe for some of you, you may even think of starting a family with this person you love, guys, Scorpios. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is key. Such a positive card for you all, guys. So this just means that whatever you need, whatever was missing in this relationship, maybe you would have had some, uh, some kind of doubts or some kind of lack of clarity in your circumstances. Whatever it is, you are uh, going to feel really confident and empowered. Something is going to help you, and whatever was missing, that missing piece, like finding the missing piece of that puzzle, you will know clearly what is the thing you need. And you are going to be really lucky today, guys. Good luck is helping you in this love, in this, with this love, guys. So you are going to be really fortunate. So maybe this person and yourself, you are moving towards marriage or commitment, guys. So that is what I see for your relationship, Scorpio. So for your career situation, we have letter. So again, a very positive card. This means some good news is coming in your circumstances. So maybe in your career, you are getting an important, it may be a letter of appointment for the job you expected. So some important letters with happy news is reaching you today, Scorpios. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So for those who chose this first card, let's see what is the card. We have the Wild Swans, dedication. So in your circumstances, guys, for your love or the concern you have on someone, you are sacrificing a lot or you are doing everything possible in your capacity, trying your best, doing your best to help this person, help them come out of some difficulty. But you are someone who has a strong willpower and determination. You are doing it by yourself in silence. You are facing all the obstacles or difficulties today all by yourself for the love you have for this person. But they may not understand that, they are not aware of it even for some of you. And this may even look like a madness on your part, maybe the people around you. They may feel that you have a mad dedication, something, a very unexpected level of that single-mindedness towards this task or towards this mission, that you're doing everything, sacrificing so much. Maybe you are in this situation, guys, and maybe people feel really hostility in their hearts towards you. But whatever you face today, guys, whatever difficulties it may be, there may be a lot of pain you are having, there may be too much you are doing on your part, but whatever it is, you are going to heal and there is a great breakthrough coming in your circumstances. So circumstances are not going to go in the same way forever. There are great changes, beautiful, positive changes coming in your life very soon, guys. And people will appreciate your single-minded dedication and your helpful, kind nature, and people will know the truth and they will truly appreciate you for whatever you have done for this person you love, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card. It is mending. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your situation, in your circumstances today, this may be the time for understanding and letting go of that unwanted burden in our life. So when we feel really hurt or sad or angered by some situation or by someone, we keep ourselves chained to that person or that situation, guys, instead of healing ourselves. So if we want to heal ourselves and move forward in our life, the way to do that is through mending our situation. And forgiveness is the best way to do that. So separate or together with your person you love. Maybe even if you are in separation, you both are experiencing the effects of hurt that is impacting everything you do. So even you may not be aware of it, but it affects whatever you do, and there is some kind of a negative energy you are having in your heart today. So that needs to be cleared. So how to do that? So closing your heart may not be the answer today, guys. So if you want to heal this wound, what you need to do? So you need to forgive this person who has hurt you and forget and move on. But if you feel that you are the one who has hurt them, you must truthfully, in your heart of hearts, apologize to them. Maybe if you can do it directly, then it is well and good. Maybe if you cannot, in your heart of hearts, you can honestly make redress, honestly say the words that you are sorry for them, sorry for what has happened, and that will bring a change in your heart, guys, a positive change, and only goodness will come out of forgiveness. And that is what this card is about, and that is the way you are going to set yourself from the chains that are holding you back today, holding you in the sadness and pain. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.